So I've been stuck for a while about the content that I want to do and the content that I feel like other people want to watch. But I feel like that this is my strong point, writing. I like to write stories, and I have spoken about my story writing in the past, and this time I'm doing exactly that. Now, I want to welcome you to the world of Avdia. Avdia is a place in my story that I'm a huge fan of. I have been creating this world since I was literally a teenager, and this world has been fantastical. I have created so many characters, so many races, and so many storylines. Now, I have decided to write a story called The Wooded Prince, which I have spoken about in the past. And I have re-picked up that story recently, as I have mentioned recently. The story follows a girl named Oriana. Oriana lives in a town called Althea, and Althea is a very isolated town compared to other locations such as Arctum. Althea is based upon the woods. These people are isolated. They follow a ritualistic lifestyle where they're living off the land. The land is something that provides to them, and they follow their gods. We've got 3 gods that are pretty much prevalent in this land. You've got Kanu and Janu, and then you've got Raikou. Now, Raikou is a very interesting god, because Raikou is a religion that is taking over the land. In terms of Kanu and Janu are the fire and water gods and goddesses. They are supposed to be an everlasting battle of will, I suppose you could say. Kanu and Janu are very interesting because when they collide, they create chaos. And we've got our character, Oriana, who is of Janu, and our character, Arden, who is of Kanu. So, with that, it's fire and water. But as you can probably tell from the imagery, Arden has discovered blood magic, a very illegal magic form that has been completely forbidden due to its power level. But unfortunately, as a child, he discovered this magic, and he will be probably one of my favorite characters to write about, because he is a villain. He is not what you would consider somebody who is, I guess, a good person per se. I would consider him morally grey. What I'm doing with Arden is I'm testing the waters. I want to be able to see where I can push this character, because this character, I want him to be perceived as bad. I want people to love to hate him, but I want him redeemable while doing unredeemable actions. Now, obviously, as a writer, this is going to be a completely difficult task, and I have received a lot of advice from Critique Circle about how to make this happen. Now, I will warn you guys, there is a scene where violation is at play. In fact, violation will be a theme in my story, because I feel like the fact is that I want to show that people do not have control over their autonomy. And that includes the characters in my novel. Now, main characters are very interesting because you expect them to go through some kind of conflict. You want this level of mystery with them, and you want something to hook and engage you. I'm hoping that the way that I've been writing this has piqued interest with people, but obviously I am biased against myself, as silly as that might sound. I think that this story is great, which is why I'm writing it, but it may not work. Who knows? People might think that my story is on the level of Twilight, but I would like to think that, especially considering I've created my own language, Mavi, I would like to think that this story is a little bit, like, interesting, at least, with all the work I've been putting in, with all the music I've been putting in, and with even the fact that I've started making a game. These are the things that I do when I have writer's block. I don't know why it helps me. But yeah, I think that this is a really fun story to write, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really feel like that I should make more content like this, especially considering the new laws in Australia. Listen, maybe they will twist my story into hate speech, who knows, but I hope you enjoyed hearing about this. This little thing that has been sitting in my head and is now being typed upon my computer. Anyway, yeah. I'm really bad at finishing videos and I'm really bad at goodbyes.